finally, I'm gonna show you how to edit the display icon of your application. So as you can see right now, this is how it shows up. So if you want to change that icon, you're gonna find the icon that you want to replace it with. For example, mine, I want to replace it with this one. So you're gonna drag this to map, copy, and then you're going to come here to the manifest, and then for the launcher you're just going to change this to home, and then this one you can also change to home. So just run this again, launching on devices, and it should have updated. You can see it has updated login application. So that is how you update the icon on your application. Like and share for more tutorials, and also there's a playlist of how I was able to create this application, this login application right here. So click on the playlist if you want to see how I made it. Yeah, peace.